Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing my analysis on United States dollar, Poland zloty, and USDPLN. I'll be showing you my analysis on how I took my buy position on the pair, how I entered on the buy position, my analysis on the pair. I'm going to be showing you guys now. I've been on the trade for like 1 week now, and I also posted a signal on my group on WhatsApp. So let me show you guys. As you can see now, I've been on the trade. Since last week. As you can see, I've been on the trade since last week. I've also posted it on my WhatsApp group for them to enter the trade since I think what's the date itself? November 29. As you can see it, I posted a trade November 29 on the group for them to take the entry. So today I will be sharing my analysis on it. So for those of you guys that still want to enter the trade is still open. You can still enter the trade now. The price just start rising, so you can still enter the trade now and set the SL and your TP at the appropriate place. You can still enter it now. So I will start my analysis on it, but before I get started, I'm going to clear all the previous one I've drawn, all my lines. I'm going to clear everything, so I'm going to start from the beginning. So let me clear all the lines there. So I've cleared all the lines there. I've cleared everything. So what we are going to be using now is we are going to be using 3 time frame. The first one would be our analysis time frame. The second will be our higher time frame to spot the direction of the trend and the strong point, while the third one will be our entry time frame. So we have 3 time frame. The first one, our analysis time frame. The second one, the one we are going to be used to check the direction of the trend, and the third one will be our entry time frame. So the first one we are going to be using daily time frame. So daily time frame now, we are going to spot or check out the supply and resistance, supply and demand zone. Support and resistance. We are going to draw it out. So as you can see here, this is 1 point here. As you can see, this is 1 point here. Our supply zone will be here. Our resistance level will be here. The reason why our resistance level is there, I'm going to show you guys. Before the price gets crash here, like before the price fall like this, there was a rising channel there. Let me show you guys. So we draw the first trend line here. Draw the first trend line. We also draw the second trend line here. We also draw the second trend line here. We also draw the second trend line here. So you can see that we have a rising channel there before the price got crashed. So this point, that's the reason why this point is our resistance level. That's the reason why the point is our resistance level, because the price got crashed from that point. So after that, we have known our support and resistance zone. So the next thing is for us, when the price gets back to the support level, I mean this point, when the price get there, we all know that the price will go back up. I mean the price will reject back to the resistance level, or the price broke the support level. So for us to know what's going to happen, so we are going to look for a bullish rejection candle. We are going to look for bullish rejection candle here. We are going to look for bullish rejection candle here. We are going to look for bullish rejection candle there. So I'm going to zoom it out so we can see it clearly. As you can see here, we have different type of rejection candles there, different type of bullish rejection candle there. We have engulfing bar, bullish engulfing bar, morning star. We also have inverted hangman there. So after several rejection candle, bullish rejection candle, so we all know that the price is rejecting back, is going back up, is going back to the resistance level. But before that, there are some things we need to know. As you all know that we need to follow the big banks in order to be a successful trader. And we all know that in the forex market, majority carry the vote. So what we just need to do, we now know that the price is rejecting back up, the price is going back to the resistance. But before that, we are going to go to our weekly time frame to spot the direction of the trend. Maybe we are not buying at the resistance, and maybe we are not selling at the support. You know, when trading forex, you must not buy at the resistance and you must not sell at the support. So we switch to our weekly time frame to check out those things there before we can proceed. So we go to our weekly time frame. So as you can see here, this is our weekly time frame. I can spot a trend line there. So this is the trend line. You can see that there is a trend line on the weekly time frame itself, which is going to reject the price back up. There is a trend line on the weekly time frame that is going to reject the price back up. So now we know that we are not buying at the resistance. So the next thing to check out The next thing to check out is the strong point. As you can see here, you are going to check for areas that is going to delay or that is going to make the market not to obey us. You are going to check the point there. You are going to check the point there. You are going to check the point. So these are the points. These are the points. These are the points. This one. This is another point here. This is another point here. That's some of the points. Those are the points that can make the market not to obey us. Those are the points, the strong points on weekly time frame that can make the price to go against us. So after spotting out the point, you check for the high, you check for the high point, the highest point there. So you draw the horizontal line to know where the price, where the points are. You draw the horizontal line to know the highest point, highest strong point there. So after that, we all know that there is a trend line on the weekly time frame that is going to push the price back up. That means you are not buying at the resistance level. And we also spot out the strong points on the weekly time frame. So after that, we go back to our daily time frame to view or zoom the chart out back. So after that, you can all see that this is the strong point on the weekly time frame. So what we need to do now is for us to wait for the price to break the strong point on weekly time frame, then retest back to the support level for good risk reward. Are you listening? We wait for the price to break the strong point on weekly time frame, then retest back to our support level for good risk reward. The reason why we are doing that is when the price break the strong point on that weekly time frame, the point will be weak or the point won't have enough strength to reject the price when moving. So we wait for the price to break the point, then retest back to the support level using our lower time frame, using 4 hours time frame. So we switch to 4 hours time frame. We switch to 4 hours time frame. We switch to 4 hours time frame now. So these are 4 hours time frame. These are 4 hours time frame. We all know that this is the point. This is the horizontal line we drawn from our weekly time frame, the strong point on our weekly time frame. So we shouldn't forget that. So we wait for the price to break the point. We wait for the price to break the point. We wait for the price to break the point. And before that there is one trend line on 4 hours time frame. There is a trend line on 4 hours time frame. There is a trend line there on 4 hours time frame. This is the trend line. So what we just need to do is for the price to break the trend line. When the price break the trend line, it also break the strong point on weekly time frame. As you can see here, when the price break the trend line, it also break the strong point on weekly time frame before the price reverse back, rejects back, retest back to the support level. As you can see here, the strong point of weekly time frame has get broken, so the price retests back to the support level, as you can see. So after the price retests back to the support level, the next thing we are going to check is we are going to look for bullish rejection candle on 4 hours time frame. We are going to check for bullish rejection candle on 4 hours time frame. So we are going to zoom it out to check for the rejection candle. As you can see here, there is morning star rejection candle there. There is morning star rejection candle there. As you can all see, there is morning star rejection candle there. There is morning star rejection candle there. So we have a good buy entry. We have a good buy position. So we can switch to our we can switch to our daily time frame back now. Can switch that our daily time frame back now. So these are our daily time frame. These are our daily time frame. These are our daily time frame. So what after the price form bullish rejection candle on our lower time frame? So our risk reward will be this will be our risk reward. 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 The reason why is that the price has broken the strong point on the weekly time frame. The strong point that can make the price not to be us. I mean this point. So the price has broken the place, then the price tests back. So the point is no more valid again. The point is no more valid again. So then we enter our buy entry. We take our buy position without having high blood pressure or checking our chart every time, every minute, every hour. What you just need to do is get your account funded, open the position, leave your money, let your money work for you. You don't need to stress yourself. Just maybe once in 5 days you check back and see how the market is reacting. No stress. There's nothing like giving yourself stress, checking your trade every seconds, every minute. You let your money work for you. So that's all about the analysis. We use daily time frame for the analysis, weekly time frame for the direction of the trend, and 4 hours for entry. So you spot the summary, and I'm talking about the summary now. The first thing is you spot the support and resistance level on the USDPLN. After that, you look for bullish rejection candle at the support level. After seeing bullish rejection candle at the support level, you switch to your weekly time frame. After switching to the weekly time frame, we check for strong points and the direction of the trend, the movement of the trend. We check it on the weekly time frame so that we can be sure that we are not buying at the resistance level. So we check our weekly time frame, then we see we are buying at the support level, which is a good idea. So after that, we switch to our 4 hours time frame. we sit our time 4 hours time frame for break and retest of the strong point on weekly time frame. So after that, we get all our confirmation ready, all set up and complete. So we take our buy entry. There's nothing like stress there. So what you just need now is, if you are still willing to enter, get your account funded, enter the trade. Just be checking your trade maybe once in 5 days, once in 10 days. There is no stress there again. Just set your SL, set your take profit. When the price get there, it is going to close automatically. So that's that on USDPLN. I mean United States dollar, Poland zloty. So my next video will be on Nasdaq, XRP 500 and US 30. So I'll be showing you my analysis on those three stock indices. I think we are currently on the buy entry on sell entry on Nasdaq. So I'm going to be showing you guys the analysis on my next video. My next video will be out. My next video will be out on Wednesday. I'll be showing you guys the analysis so you can just get along. If you are just watching the video for the first time, for you to stay updated and know when I release a new video, just subscribe to the channel, because I will be releasing video time to time now, so that we won't be lacking any analysis or anything behind on forex and stocks. So if you are watching it for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Returning viewers to kindly turn on the notification bell so that you are going to know when I published or post any new videos, because from time to time now I will be sharing my analysis on each trade or investment I took or I take. So that's all on that. Thanks for watching.